3-axis gyro and a 3-axis accelerometer. And all of that technology works together for a very, very smooth flight process. Anyone can fly this little device, even the age of 8.
Look how smooth that is. You want to get it? No, I get it.
So the product itself, there's 2 ways of flying it. What you can see in front of you right now is with the optional wheels that come in the box attached. And that gives you the ability to not simply fly it, but to drive it along the floor, along a ceiling, up a wall. It gives you a completely different way of operating the product. The propellers are obstructed for any reason, or the engine's immediately cut. It's also quite acrobatic. If you want to take it off again, Fabian, you can do tricks. You've got the ability to do forward, backwards, left and right flips. Now you can't do the left and right flips when the wheels are on, but you can flip it either way, and that's all once again controlled through the application, which is a free download from either the Google Play Store, the Apple iStore, or in addition we'll have Windows controllable apps available from September. But high-tech toy. This product is launching in August at the retail price of $119. So the jumping Sumo does not fly, but it drives like a robot. You've got a special patented spring mounting system, which allows it to do something that most people have never seen in a robot like this before. Caroline? It can jump up to 80 centimetres. And that gives you the ability to have a completely new dynamic and a completely different way of controlling or playing with such a device. In addition, it has a front live immersive video camera on board. Right. So whether you're using a smartphone or a tablet, it will stream via the Wi-Fi connection whatever it sees from that video camera. A little bit better to see all of you in the shot.
Can you throw it and just start flying?
Sorry?
You just like throw it up, it'll start flying.
Not this one.